Wow, we've got a gift box here. Sounds like something heavy is inside. Are you ready to see what's in there? I'm gonna just tear this package open. How many layers are there? All right, we're almost done. I'm so excited. These are plaster toys. I know what these are for. Hello, everyone. Today, we're gonna learn about different vehicles. Let's start by coloring the toys and then learn more about them. What do you think this one is? Let's start with the color black. Here's a black soft seat, so you won't feel tired during a long trip. This vehicle has fast wheels that can take you wherever you want to go. We use bright red for its body. Check this out. It looks so cool already. Red is perfect because it looks fast. Do you agree? There are lots of metal parts that keep everything together. We color them silver. Friends, this is a motorcycle. Have you ever seen one?
Yes!
Motorcycles are fast and can travel very far. They have handlebars to change direction. You should always wear a helmet for safety when riding a motorcycle. Well, we need to pick the next one. Let's see. I think I got it. Look closely. What is this gonna be? The blue color fits this vehicle best. It stands out and is easy to see. What color will be next? Take your guess. Yellow! It is the color of the front lights. See how much bigger the back wheels are? They carry this vehicle through dirt and mud. It also has a pipe to send gases away. A few finishing touches, and the final look is complete. This is a tractor. This one is a big car. What is it used for? Tractors are used on farms to pull heavy things and plant. Farmers sit on high seats in closed cabins. Sounds like a fun ride. This is a tricky one. What is this vehicle? What shape does it remind you of? For me, it looks like a long yellow box, especially since we color it yellow. And these are windows. We color them blue. This vehicle has many windows. You can ride and enjoy the view. Imagine having your friends beside you and catching sunbeams. It has 4 black wheels that carry this vehicle, its driver, and all the passengers. It has big doors and steps so that many people can get in and out. You can ride with your besties, chat, and laugh. This is a school bus. It takes children to and from school. Usually, school buses are painted yellow so we can see them right away. Next time you're outside, try to spot some school buses. They also have special flashing lights to stop traffic. All right, let's move to the next toy. What is it gonna be? First, we pick a bright pink color. It looks like so much fun, doesn't it? What is your favorite color? You can shout it out loud. This one has several seats for a family or friend ride. It has a special place on the back for all the stuff you'd like to bring along. What would you take for a ride? I like watching through the windows during a ride. And you? Now, let's add shiny silver for wheels and some other parts. This vehicle has yellow lights up front and red lights in the back. It has 4 wheels underneath. While it's moving, people must sit and wear seatbelts at all times to stay safe. This is a car. We see many cars on the roads every day, but how do they move? Drivers use the pedals to go and the steering wheel to turn left or right. People use cars to visit new places. They can leave their car in a parking lot and return for it later. Hey, we have one more mystery here. Let's solve it. We use purple to color the frame of this vehicle. I love this color. It looks bold and special. What parts make it stand out though? It has a cabin, a tail, and even blades. You can actually fly on this thing. A pilot sits in a cabin and checks the way through the windows. The spinning propeller on top lifts it up, and a small one on the back helps it turn. The strong motor inside makes everything move. This is a helicopter, but do you know what it is used for? Let's find out. Helicopters are often used to save people and animals. They help firefighters drop water on big forest fires. We've got only this toy left. What is it gonna be? This vehicle is big and strong and is used for heavy work. We color its body bright green. It's a lovely color to look at. The back part is where we put heavy things. We color it orange. The wheels are black, of course, with silver centers. It has blue windows in the front and a black outline to make it look brighter. This is a truck. It is used to carry big things from place to place. Some trucks bring food and goods to stores. Others move sand, wood, and building materials. Garbage trucks, for example, collect trash. Friends, we did it. Let's repeat the names of these vehicles together. Are you ready? Here is a truck. This is a car. What is flying up in the air? It's a helicopter. This is a tractor driving in fields. Say hi to the school bus and the motorcycle. You were amazing today. See you soon, and thanks for the play date.